When we talked about arithmetic mean, तो काम बड़ा आसान था यार. Arithmetic mean का मतलब average था, right? So arithmetic mean is average. That's why it was very easy for us to think about it, to solve questions pertaining to arithmetic mean, because हमको simply average निकालना था. But if you go to the definition of arithmetic mean again, you see arithmetic mean को मैंने average तो बोल दिया था, but I said why if we termed it as average, why we are calling it arithmetic mean again? Why this sophistication? क्यों arithmetic mean हम बोलते क्यों हैं? So the reason came out to be that whenever we put average of two terms between these two terms, whenever we insert the average of two terms between them, we get an AP, we get an arithmetic progression. So ये example याद है, 1 and 3, and what is the average of 1 and 3? Obviously 2. So 2 is the average of 1 and 3. If you insert 2 between 1 and 3, these three terms will always form an arithmetic progression, right? Now, if you remember this definition, तो geometric mean तुम्हारे लिए कोई बहुत difficult काम नहीं होगा, because now let's say G, let's use G. If G is geometric mean, if G is geometric mean between A and B, yeah, of A and B, geometric mean of A and B, then whatever we have learned in arithmetic progression, right, हम वो सारी चीजें यहाँ पर as it is रख सकते हैं. So when I say arithmetic mean is something, whenever we insert between two numbers, we will get an AP. Same for geometric progression. Means what? Then small a, comma G, comma B are in geometric progression. और ये आप सबको याद होगा that if three consecutive terms of geometric progression are given, then what is the relation between among these three terms? Tell me, if A, G, B are in GP, then what is the relation among these three terms? बताओ, क्या relation है भाई? Okay? Okay है कि नहीं है? G by A equal to B by G. Sharon, G square equals to AB. Good, good. Okay. Okay is okay today. Very good. क्या बात है? तो we will get G square, याद है ना? B square equals to AC. देखो यार, AP, GP, HP में sum और HP चलो बाद में पढ़ेंगे, but AP और GP में sum के फॉर्मूले और जनरल टर्म के फॉर्मूले के अलावा तीसरी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ये कंडीशन. So whenever you see three consecutive terms of an AP, obviously 2B equals to A plus C, याद रखना है. And whenever you see A, B, C are in GP, we have three consecutive terms in GP. Then square of the middle term equals to product of the extremes. G square equals to AB. G square equals to AB. Right? Understood? बताओ यहाँ तक क्या बात समझ में आई? क्या यहां तक सभी को बात समझ में आ गई? ओके, बहुत अच्छी बात है. वेरी नाइस. व्हाई इज ज्योमेट्रिक मीन कॉल्ड सो? वेदांत, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन, देखो, व्हाई अरिथमेटिक मीन इज कॉल्ड अरिथमेटिक मीन? बिकॉज व्हेन यू इंसर्ट अरिथमेटिक मीन यू गेट एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. Why we are calling G as geometric mean? Because when we insert this value between A and B, we are getting a GP, geometric progression. That's why geometric mean. When we insert some value between A and B, and if we are getting a HP, then this value will be called a harmonic mean, right? Obvious बात है. अब अगला क्वेश्चन मेरा ये है कि क्या ज्योमेट्रिक मीन यूनिक है? क्या ज्योमेट्रिक मीन की वैल्यू एक ही वैल्यू आएगी? डू यू थिंक इट इज यूनिक? लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. Geometric mean of 1 and 4. What do you think geometric mean of 1 and 4 will be? Geometric mean 1 और 4 क्या है? If I apply this formula, yes. So some of you are saying 2 and some of you are saying 2 and minus 2. Yes. So this is my next question. That if I apply this formula, right? G square equals to AB. All right. So A is 1. B is 4, AB is 4. चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है. G square 4 आ गया. G square 4 आ गया. So I think those who are saying that g equals to plus minus 2 cannot be wrong. G equals to plus minus 2 is absolutely correct. Right? Geometric mean की दो values आ रही है भाई, plus 2 and minus 2. Now there is a convention at work. Listen to me very carefully, because those who are saying plus minus 2 are absolutely correct. But since we use the word mean, सद्गुण और वेदांत के मार्क्स का mean, चलो हम यहां तो एवरेज की बात कर रहे हैं, but whenever we use the word mean, that means we are talking about a value which lies between the two terms, right? अब मैं कहूं कि 1 और 4 का mean -2, it's a very mean thing to say. मतलब mean जो है वो बाहर निकल गया दो नंबर्स के बीच में से, ऐसा तो गलत बात होगी ना यार. So there is a convention at work, and due to this convention, we will accept only plus 2. What could be that convention? The convention says that keep the value of mean between the two numbers. इन दोनों numbers के बीच में आपको mean रखना है. So अगर ये convention यहां पे मैं apply करूं, mean lies between numbers, what will be your answer? Mean lies between the numbers. Now your answer will be obviously only 2, isn't it? Right? You understood? तो बात सबको समझ में आई भाई? That if we are taking two positive values, अगर दो positive values हैं, yes, Vedant J is correct, कि अगर हमने लिया होता -1 और -4, then we would have considered -2. Why not? But Vedant, don't worry about that, and Vedant, including all the students, अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि नेगेटिव नंबर्स आएंगे, मीन नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, बात सही है according to this convention, but you will never get negative values in geometric progression questions or geometric mean problems. All right, you will always get only positive values, so do not worry about it. But for the time being, try to understand that this formula will always give you two answers, out of which you will accept only the positive value. To summarize it, I can say that geometric mean is plus root AB. When A and B both are positive real numbers. Agree? When A and B are both are positive. The same geometric mean is minus root AB, which you're never going to face. Don't worry about that, all right? ये तुम्हें कभी मिलेगा नहीं. But अगर मिलता है तो remember, this is true if you have both negative numbers. For example, geometric mean of -4 and -1 will be what? क्या होगा geometric mean of -4 and -1? See, -4 into -1 is still 4. Root 4 is 2, but minus बाहर लगाया. That's why your answer is this time -2. And interestingly, अगर हमारे पास एक positive value है और दूसरी negative value है, so do I need to tell you A into B is negative? GM doesn't exist, right? क्या लगता है? Geometric mean exist नहीं करेगा, because अगर A into B negative हो गया, अगर एक वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो गई, दूसरी वैल्यू नेगेटिव हो गई, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है यार कि जो ज्योमेट्रिक मीन आएगा तो वो फॉर्मूला क्या है? रूट ए बी या जी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए बी. जी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स समथिंग नेगेटिव, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन विल बिकम एन इमेजिनरी वैल्यू, एंड वी आर कंसीडरिंग ओनली रियल वैल्यूज. सो फॉर ए पॉजिटिव वैल्यू एंड ए नेगेटिव वैल्यू, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन डज नॉट exist.